To clone WhatsApp on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you will have to scroll all the way down and go for the apps. And from here, you'll have to go for the dual apps, and let's create this account. Right now, you have to press create, and right now, here you have this recommended application, WhatsApp, in case if you have this WhatsApp application installed. So let's tap on this application on WhatsApp and press the switch to create dual application. Here this application is Google Services. Let's turn this one on, and now this is the process of creating the second application, the clone application for the WhatsApp. So let's wait for this process to complete, and now it has been created successfully, and you will find this one on the home screen. As you can see, here is this original WhatsApp application, and here is the copy, and the copy has this like yellow kind of icon right next to it. So yeah, that's how you can clone WhatsApp.